Hello everyone. Today I will explain about scripting language. So what is the scripting language? What is the difference between scripting language and programming language? So next one, what is the origins of scripting language? So what are the characteristics of scripting language? I will explain today. So what is scripting language? So scripting language is a language. Scripting language is or script language is a programming language that supports scripts programs written as a special runtime environment that can be interpreted. All scripting languages are interpreted languages. So a high level programming language that is interpreted by another programming at runtime rather than compiled by the computer processor as other programming languages such as C, C++. So programming languages are high level languages, so they are compiler dependent language. Scripting languages are embedded within HTML. So commonly are used to add functionality to a web page, such as different menu styles or graphic displays or to serve dynamic advertisements. So scripting languages are embedded in HTML. So there are types of scripting languages: client-side scripting languages and server-side scripting languages. So client-side scripting language affecting the data that end user sees in a browser window, like HTML is a client-side scripting. So other scripting languages are server-side scripting language. So that manipulates the data usually in a database on the server. So server-side scripting language examples are JavaScript, ASP, JSP, PHP, Perl, Python are all server-side scripting languages. So what is the difference between scripting language and programming? Scripting languages are languages that you send commands directly to a system that execute these commands. These commands are read line by line execution because scripting languages are interpreted language. The execution in line by line execution. So an error is issued when a line cannot be executed for any reason. Okay, error is issued, execution is not executed. So example Python, shell script, MATLAB program. So programming languages are languages that allow to create a program by writing structured code that is read all lines at a time. So programming languages are compiler language. So compiler reads the all lines at a time. So checks for errors and translated into a unreadable format. So examples of programming languages are Java, C, C++, VB, etc. are the examples for programming language. So difference between scripting language and programming language, another difference. Compiled language must be compiled before they can be executed. So this means you can run it through a compiler. So it converts your source code into executable machine code. So scripting languages are interpreted language. This means they are only compiled line by line execution. So what are the advantages and disadvantages of interpreted language? So main advantage of interpreted languages are easy to learn and use. So minimum programming knowledge or experience is enough. So allows complex tasks to be performed in a relatively few steps. So allows simple creation and editing in variety of text editor. We can use any number of text editor. So allows the addition of dynamic and interactive activities to a web page. We can create dynamic web pages also. So edit and running of a code is faster than the programming. Main disadvantage of interpreted language, sir. So usually run quietly slow because interpreted language reads the line by line execution. So limited commands to run detailed operations on graphics is the major disadvantage. Next one, advantage and disadvantage of compiler. So main advantage of compiler language compared to scripting language is faster execution because compiler required. So compiler languages are faster execution. Disadvantage, so it requires a compiler. Okay. Editing and deploying a code is a lot slower than the interpreted language. These are the major advantage and disadvantage of interpreted and compiler language. So coming to the unit 1 syllabus. So introduction to scripting, two parts, it has two parts: introduction to scripting and PHP base. So introduction to scripting, scripts and programs, origin of scripting, scripting today, characteristics of scripting language, web scripting, and the universe of scripting language are in part 1. So I will explain what are scripts and programs. So programming is the action of writing programs using programming language. So scripting is the action of writing scripts using scripting language. The examples of programming languages are C, C++, Java. The scripting language examples are PHP, Python or scripting languages. So next, origins of scripting. So the word script in a computing contest in 1970s, the originator of Unix operating system. The term shell script is the origin of scripting language. Shell script means sequence of commands. So next one, an Apple Macintosh HyperCard application, one of the early hypertext systems. The associated HyperTalk language allowed allowed the user to define a sequence of actions. So sequence of commands starting. Next one, sequence of actions are to be associated with the mouse clicks or movements, and these were called scripts. So initially, scripting as a sequence of commands to control application or a device. Next one, scripting today. The term scripting is nowadays used in three different meanings. So first meaning, a new style of programming which allows application to be developed much faster than the traditional methods. The first point is you can develop a scripting language application faster than the traditional based methods of programming language. This style of programming frequently uses scripting language to interconnect off-the-shelf components that are themselves written in a conventional language. Applications built in this way, sometimes called glue applications or glue language. Glue language is scripting language. Example, the use of Visual Basic to develop GUI using the pre-built visual control. Second point, using the scripting language to manipulate, customize, and automate the facilities of an existing system. Here, script is used to control application that provides a programmable interface like application programming interface. The application is constructed from collection of objects whose properties and methods are exposed to scripting language. So in this point, we can use manipulate and customize the programming. So use example, use of client-side scripting and dynamic HTML to create interactive web pages. Third point, using a scripting language with its rich functionality, we can use an alternate to conventional language for general programming tasks. So particularly system programming and system administration. So example are Windows Network System uses the Perl for administration. Apache has the embedded Perl interpreter for CGI scripts. These are the scripting today. Main 3 points. First one, the new style of programming application much faster than the traditional methods. We can manipulate and customize the data. So now we can alternate use conventional programming language, particularly programming language. So next one, characteristics of scripting language. There are 4 main characteristics of scripting language. So integrated compile and run. So lower overheads and ease of use, enhanced functionality, efficiency is not an issue. First one, integrated compile and run. So it has a both scripting language or interpreted language. It's in compiler and interpreted language. It can run the line by line execution. So next one, lower overheads and ease of use. So by using the variables and data types or strings and data structures, we can ease the programming. So easy to execute the interpreted language. Next one, enhance functionality. So most of the enhanced functionality in some areas. So example, most of language provide string manipulation. So based on regular expressions, while other languages provide easy access to low-level operating system. So by using string manipulations, regular expression, we can easily enhance the programming. Next one, efficiency is not an issue. So while comparing to programming language, the scripting language programming efficiency is low, but there is no issue on efficiency. So next one, web scripting. So web scripting is divided into 3 areas. First one, processing forms. Second one, creating dynamic web pages, means creating pages with enhanced visual effects and user interaction, means creating dynamic web pages. So generating pages on the fly material from the material held in a database, means dynamically generated HTML. So first one, processing forms. So processing web forms is the implementation when the form is submitted for the processing of information. So entered by the user, encoded and send the server processing by CGI, then generate HTML page, send back to the web browser. So we are sending a form data to the browser in stage 1, processing web forms. Next one, dynamic web page. Dynamic web pages are implemented in the Internet Explorer. So makes every components of the web page is a dynamically headings and adds anchors, emphasis, text, tables, forms, and to a scriptable objects. This is creating dynamic web pages. So next one, so dynamically generated HTML. So another form of dynamic web page is which is some or all HTML generated scripts are executed on the server. So example are IIS web server implements so-called active servers pages ASP, which incorporates scripts in a JavaScript or VB script. So the main is processing web sounds. First one, second one create dynamic web pages. Third one dynamically generate HTML pages. So next one, the universe of scripting language. The original Unix world of traditional scripting language using Perl and TCL. So which are now available on most platforms. Next one, the Microsoft World VBA and ActiveX controller are scripting language. The world of VBA for scripting compound documents. The world of client side and server side web scripting are the universe of scripting language. Thank you.